sun floating up, slipping back down, conjunction with the moon, and life on the ground. You fire, it burns, rain, it cools. I hope that you'll stay, I hope that you'll stay. Pulse to pulse, all of these years, reflections on your face, the taste of your tears, centuries gone for the spiritual face. I hope that you'll stay, and I hope that you'll stay. Children grow up, elders grow down. Watch them fly high and crash to the ground, and help them move on, welcome them home, and hope that they'll stay, hope that they'll stay. You'll stay, I hope that you'll stay. You see, I hope that you'll stay, I hope that you'll stay. You see, I hope that you'll stay, I hope that you'll stay. Setting sun to close the new day. Bring the moon, bring your moon. And if you rise, I will hold the ladder, help you rise, I will help you rise. And if you fall, I will lay myself down to soften the blow, soften the blow. And I'll hold you once again, I will hold once again. The winds they blow southeast now, cool things down, cool things down. And if you rise, I will hold the ladder and help you rise, I will help you rise. And if you fall, I will lay myself down to soften the blow, soften the blow. Streets full of people with trinkets to share, offering them up for the folks in despair. Yondian crystals and oils for growth of spirit and body and mind as we go. Emphasis placed on the body and mind as the heart is often somewhere behind. Strange. Tiny little bones of the innocent child looking up at me with the saddest of eyes. Is her innocence intact, or has it been stained? Has the creature that feeds her taken it away? Strange. So sad, it's strange.